very vibrant day. Myself, Sushmita, going to take science. As I said before, I insist on observation power and your inquisitive mind. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further notification. Today, I am going to take sorting materials into group. The first question comes is, why do we need to sort the materials? Even in your groups or in school, everywhere you will be seeing that you need to sort out the materials for your very own convenience. If you see around you, there are different types of materials. You can say, if you just go, like if I go around, I can see some chairs, some desks, some copies, some books, and then some chalks and charts. So when we talk about all this material, we can classify them. Things made around us in plastic, in wood, soft things, hard things, bright things. So in this way we can just take a topic, a classification, and then divide the variety of things around us. So when we talk about dividing, let's see the property of materials. On what topics you can take your materials on. Like you can see the appearance of a material, hardness of material, if it is soluble or insoluble, float or sink, or is it transparent. By saying material, I mean what the thing is made up of. So let's take the appearance. What do we mean by saying appearance? That is how it looks. If it is hard, if it is soft, or if it is lustrous, or it is dull. So that is the appearance of the material. You can classify it. I have not given the examples out here. That is the work for you to do. Then the hardness. We can take, see around and divide the material on their hardness also. Like we can take a bench, it is hard. We can take a chalk, it is soft, it breaks, bench doesn't. So we can take another property to divide the material is hardness. Then we talk of soluble and insoluble. As you might be knowing, what is soluble? When it dissolves in water, it is soluble. We can take the material, try to dissolve in water, it doesn't, so it is insoluble. If it dissolves, it is soluble. Then a very interesting thing, float or sink. Take a tub full of water, put the different material you have got, small obviously, so just put them in. The one which sinks down and the one which floats, that is also one of the way of classification. Then transparency. I think this might be a new word. So transparency means, it means that when you look through something, if you can see through it, if you are not able to see through it. So we can divide transparency into three types. Transparent, when we are able to see through it. Translucent, just take a piece of paper and put oil on it and try to see. You can see the things but not very clearly, it's blurred. So that is translucent. And opaque, when you cannot see anything against that object. So we can divide, so do the sorting on the basis of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, and you may do many of your own also. Now everybody, the people, those who are viewing this, should do something of your own. So for to do, today I have given, try to classify things around you. On what basis did you classify? You have to think of your very own basis. Why I am classifying it? On what basis I am classifying it? And how many groups you can make of the same things. That is, you take the same thing, take one subject, take one point, do the sorting according to that. Take second point and try to do the sorting according to that. So we can see that the same thing can be sorted in many different groups. I am sure you will be able to do this. Thank you.